Been around like hella propellers. Wanna know who you with? Don't tell them.
What we getting into today? Do you see what we getting into today? The hair is looking crazy, y'all. We ready to get into it. I'm about to figure out what is in my little surprise package from Nadula Hair, because I ordered this so long ago that I don't even remember what I purchased at this point. Shout out to Nadula for the new packaging. Isn't this so cute? I love the packaging on this. Yeah, so let's go ahead and open the rest. You do still have your silk bag. Oh, I don't even think. Where's my phone? I gotta call them to come. I want to quickly unbox my wig for you guys, but I just don't want to torture y'all with my smoke detector. Unbox her real quick, and then we're gonna get down to the braid down, and hopefully they come in here because I told them I have a Zoom meeting. You guys, I totally forgot this is a closure wig, 24 inches. Oh, it has the baby hairs already prepared for us. I thought I was working with a frontal, but this is like a 7x7 closure wig, I believe. I will link the information on the screen as well as down in the description box below. But it's pre-cut, so now you don't even have to worry about that. The lace is really nicely tinted. It has an elastic band attached to it, and this is the adjustable one. They also have the grippy material on the back part of the wig, so that's not gonna slide either. It has one good size comb on the back, so you are able to tuck your wigs. I'm gonna try to make this glueless and hairsprayless, but we'll see how I feel about it. These knots are looking really realistic, and they did great with the pre-bleach method that they got going on. So let's go ahead and get started.
Girl, you on my best side. That she from the west side.
Look at how nice that blends in with my complexion. I'm glad that I chose not to braid my hair down because it just helps give that super flat illusion to your wig. Do you see her? This is like a wig wearer's dream. The hair is super soft and the wave is super nice. Nadula said, y'all be saying beginner friendly, but we about to show you what beginner friendly looks like, baby, cause eating. I don't even think I'm going to curl my, see that this was like a 5-second install. Look at how well these baby hairs are laying and they're molded down. They got the density of the baby hairs right. I'm obsessed, like, see that? No glue, no hairspray needed. This lace looks up close and personal. Lace quality is amazing. Pre-cut on this, so jagged, so it can look a bit more realistic.
Especially when the past ain't been that friendly to you, but there's magic in that. You the flower that
I'm gonna take a little bit of this Pillow Soft Curl from Miss Jessie. Gonna help lay those flyaways down without having to have that harsh look to the top part of your
whole life round. You can confide in me. I can take the.
Are y'all understanding what's happening? Are we literally not gonna have to do anything to get a flawless install? I'm really just shocked though, y'all. Like, I'm about to get off camera and go to the bathroom to see if this really looks this good. I do love my parts to look a little messy, but I do see a little slight line demarcation right up in here when it comes to my wig cap. So I am going to fill the part in just so we're not clocked. Take a little bit of my Charlotte Tilbury concealer. You can use any concealer, to be honest with you. Whatever just helps most realistic for a part.
Before I had you, this shit was fantasy. You plant a seed, it grows some roots, a branch and leaves, becomes a tree of life until our nights are filled with peace.
Get into it.
I give from wife and you.
I really do think that this is a glueless and a hairsprayless wig. I'm just doing it for the sake of like what I have to do, like I said, try on things. But if I was just literally running errands, not having to put clothes over my head, I would literally not put any hairspray on this wig.
And she see my best side.
I do wanna know. Don't you sugarcoat. I say it all if you want.
I have like a love-hate relationship with elastic bands. I don't know why I'm excited about using this one today. Maybe it's because it's like a beige nude. Okay, she's still centered. So I'm going in with that heat protecting serum because I like to use it as like an oil sheen almost, just to get rid of any of that crusty look from that hairspray. But get into the pre-plug, y'all.
Been around like hella propellers. Wanna know who you with? Don't tell her. Come on, fellas. That ain't none of your biz. Got on your body.
Y'all can see what it's looking like. I didn't have to do much. Wanted to give you guys some options.
Today, she know my stick nothing but magic, babe. I be swinging it back and forth to you in your casket, babe.
Let me know how you guys feel about hairsprayless, glueless wigs. Do you feel like this is meant for you? Because I think it's meant for you. It's a little 1 2 1 2 throw on moment. You cannot beat this. Like, everything is just eating, y'all. I love you guys so much. I'm so happy that I was able to do a talk through with you guys. It's the holidays. A lot of these wigs are half off. You do have a discount code down below, so make sure you check it out. Don't forget to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notification bell. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye, y'all.
Little fears, music to my ears. Say it loud, say it proud, you want it more. We open door, hit the couch, then the floor. I cut it up like a scissor, love galore. She never bored, there's so much shit we can do. You free to say what